This video here has gotten 1,000 views and this one has gotten 1,000 views too. Guess what? This one has made more money for me than this one. Same video, same niche, but one makes more money than the other one. Now, I know one of the questions in your mind you want to ask me is, so how much does YouTube pay per 1,000 views? How much does YouTube pay you for every 1,000 views your videos get? I'm going to explain that using these two videos. I'm going to show you the analytics of this video and analytics of this video, how much each and every one of them made me and why they made different amount of money, even with the same number of views. Let's dive into it. Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Chamaka, and on this channel we talk about making money and growing your YouTube channel. So if this is the kind of thing you love, go on and hit the subscribe button and the bell icon beside it so you get notified each time I publish new videos. I'm going to take you to the back end of these two videos and show you how much each and every one of them has made for me. Then we are going to go on to talk about why one of them made more money than the other one. Now, this will help you a whole lot as a creator. If your goal is to make money on this platform, this video will help you understand why a particular video makes more money than the other one. So you'll be able to focus on what actually matters for you when it comes to generating revenue. Let's get into it. I'm going to convert my laptop to tablet so you'll be able to look at exactly what we have here. This is the first video. It has gotten 1,066 views since it was published. It has generated 46 watch hours and it has also gotten 27 subscribers for me since it was published. Now, the revenue, it has made $3.84. Here is the second video. This video has gotten 1,085 views since published. It has generated 39 watch hours. It has also gotten me 17 subscribers and the revenue, it has generated $4.37. You can see that they both have same number of views, different watch hours, different subscriber counts, and different amount of money generated. What is the difference? There are three things that influence how much you make from every video you upload on YouTube. The first one is location of your viewers, where your viewers are coming from. So when people who watch this particular video are coming from first world countries, you are going to make more money from that video than if the viewers are coming from third world countries. So if viewers of a particular video are coming from UK, US, Canada, you are going to earn more. The reason is because advertisers consider people from these first world countries high target. So they are willing to pay more money to show their advert to these people. On the other hand, advertisers are not willing to pay more money to show their adverts to viewers from third world countries. On the other hand, advertisers pay less to have their adverts shown to people living in the third world countries. And one of the reasons is because purchasing power of people living in the first world countries is higher than those living in the third world countries. So advertisers are willing to pay a lot of money to show their adverts to people living in the UK, US, Canada, Australia, and the rest of them. So the first noticeable difference is that majority of people who watch this first video are coming from the first world countries. So as a smart person, think of things you can do to attract viewers from the first world countries. This brings us to CPM and RPM. CPM is cost per milli, which is how much advertisers are willing to pay to have their advert shown to 1,000 people, 1,000 impressions. Now, RPM is revenue per 1,000 views, and this is how much YouTube pays you out of the money advertisers pay them. So let's look at different countries and how much they earn. That is their CPM for every country. So these are different countries with their estimated CPM. This figure you see here is in USD, in dollars. Keep going down and down. You're going to see these countries. These are major countries. I hope you're able to see your own countries or countries where your viewers are coming from. For every country you see here, you will see the corresponding amount of money that you make per 1,000 views you get. For example, we have United States at $32, we have Canada $29, Australia $36, United Kingdom $21, Germany $18, Norway $20, and the list continues. Go down here, you see all the countries listed here, down to Nigeria, which is $2, Egypt is 45 cents, Kenya is $1. So this will help you a whole lot in understanding how much you earn per 1,000 views based on where your viewers are coming from. So as a smart person, you have to do something that will attract views from the first world countries, so you'll be able to make a lot of money from those views. The second thing that determines how much you earn per 1,000 views is the length of a video. Yes, how long the video is. When a video is very long, up to 8 minutes and above, you get opportunity to add adverts, a lot of adverts in the video. We have skippable ad, we have non-skippable ad, then most importantly we have mid-roll adverts. So mid-roll adverts are those adverts that play inside the video. The only time you have mid-roll adverts in a video is if the video is 8 minutes and above. So a video of 14 minutes will accommodate more adverts than a video of 8 minutes. However, you need to be very smart and careful. You should not drag a video unnecessarily long just so it gets so long to accommodate a lot of advert, because it's going to be very boring for your audience, and that's where you see them leaving the video even before they get halfway into the video. So make sure that if a video is long, it's because of the value you offer in the video. Now, the two videos we are comparing, the first one is 8 minutes long and the second one is 9 minutes long. The one of 9 minutes is actually the one that made more money. So the length of the video might be one of the reasons why this video made more money for me. So an ideal length of a video is between 8 minutes to 14 minutes. 8 minutes so it gets long enough to accommodate enough advert. 14 minutes so it doesn't get so long that people do not want to watch the video anymore. However, if you're a beginner, if your channel is not monetized, I'll advise you make videos that are way shorter than this. This way, you'll be able to get attention of people. If you're a small creator, go to the comment section and drop a comment. Connect with other creators who are looking to connect with you, help you grow your YouTube channel. When you drop a comment in the comment section of this video, you're going to see a lot of other people who are like you growing their channel. So you connect, you network, and from there you build a collaboration that will lead to something bigger and help you grow your YouTube channel and get monetized. The third thing that determines how much you earn per 1,000 views you get on your videos is your niche. See, on this platform, all niches are not born equal. There are niches you play in, you will make more money. And the reason is because advertisers are willing to place their advert on videos on that topic. On the other hand, there are topics that you make video on, you may get a lot of views, but you don't get a lot of money. The CPM is very low. Advertisers don't want to place their advert. They're not willing to pay a lot of money to show their adverts to people who watch those videos. Now, this is a list of niches and how much they earn per 1,000 views. Look at this list. You need to go through it carefully to see where your niche falls in. You need to go through this if one of your reasons for being on this platform is to make money. It will help you, it will guide you in picking the right niche that will pay you higher. At the end of the day, when you get 1,000 views on your videos, you are open to making a reasonable amount of money from the adverts. Let me know in the comment section, which niche are you in? Did you see your niche here and how much it earns per 1,000 views? 2 bonus points. The next thing that affects how much your videos earn per 1,000 views is audience engagement, the willingness of your viewers to watch the advert for a long time. So you know, skippable ad, after 5 seconds, you're given option to skip it. If your viewers don't skip and continue to watch the advert, you will make more money than when they skip the advert at a given point. The next one is advertisers' demand. There are certain periods of the year you make more money from your ads. Christmas, holidays, Black Friday and all that, adverts tend to pay more money that period than ordinary time. I hope you got value from this. Please give this video a thumbs up. I will appreciate that. If you've not subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Go on and hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to be part of this community. See you in my next video. Bye.